Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a nourishing pineapple cucumber detox drink for you to help cleanse your system and make you feel really good. So now let's get started. We'll start out with already scrubbed and washed pineapple. Pineapple are not only delicious but have some detoxifying properties that will help cleanse and refresh your system. However, it's important to be mindful of the natural sugars in pineapple. While it offers fantastic detox benefits, too much sugar can have negative effects on our body. That's why we'll be using just the right amount for this recipe. I like to eat the pineapple core on the go because it's hard on my blender, so I won't be adding it with other ingredients. And please do not throw away the pineapple skin as we'll be using it in an upcoming recipe, so save it in the freezer and stay tuned for that. Next up, we have an already scrubbed and washed cucumbers. They are perfect for supporting our body's natural detoxification process and also keeps us hydrated and refreshed. You can choose to peel off the skin if you want to. We'll also be adding ginger. This spice is not only flavorful but also offers fantastic detox benefit and can give our immune system a little boost. And finally, we'll be adding the juice of half a lemon. Lemons are very popular for their detoxifying properties, making this drink an excellent choice to keep us in shape and revitalized. Now we'll add all the ingredients into the blender and some water, then blend until smooth. Remember, you can also use a juicer for this as this makes the job a whole lot easier. You have the option to strain the drink or not. Straining will give you a smoother texture, while not straining keeps the fiber-rich goodness of the ingredients, which supports digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. However, if you prefer a smoother and more juice-like consistency, you can go ahead and strain the mixture. It's all about your preference. Remember, whether you strain it or not, the ingredients will still provide you with numerous health benefits. Cheers to your health! Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button below, subscribe and share with a friend. I truly appreciate. See you in the next video. Bye bye.